What is going on, guys? Welcome to another night of Ryan's Radar. And tonight we are looking at a couple things, right? So for Euro USD, right, I'm just going to jump straight into this. Euro USD, we're looking at it's still sideways, right? So it's still within the range, but because of how everything closed here on the 4 hour, because how everything closed on the daily, it's giving me that bias of looking more for bullish moves. Now it's still premature, right? We're still early on. This thing could stop hunt high real quick and then come back down to retest some demands that were formed. Um, we have some demands that were formed here during the middle of New York session, right there. And we go to the 15-minute. So we could be seeing price either shoot up first, right? Get out of these areas and do something like this, where price goes up, pulls back, and then goes up again. Or we're going to see price kind of pull back into demand, maintain the range it's in, and then kind of shoot up from there. But you got to be careful because tomorrow morning at 7:30 we have a bunch of red folder news right here. So, so you got jobless claims, you have inflation rates, you have CPI. It's going to be a lot of craziness tomorrow morning for the dollar. So all the reason, and that's why a lot of the pairs have been consolidating too, I believe, because the dollar's been running the show, and now I believe we're going to see something happen where it's going to just make all the currencies go crazy. So we'll see. Could be good, could be bad. If the dollar ends up being worse, then we're going to see these pairs go straight up. And my bias for this pair is this is going to continue up to these daily and 4 hour supplies. And once it gets there, we're going to have two things play out. Either it's going to go up, respect, it's going to go up, reject, or go up, respect, go up, break it, then reject and come back up. So those are the couple playouts. I mean, other scenario, which, it just doesn't make sense at this very moment. Now, granted, things could change up very quickly, and I could switch my bias to a sell. But at this very moment of recording, even for GBPUSD, I'll let you know, like at the time of recording, my bias for this right here is buys, and it could switch up. You have to be adaptable. You can't just take what I say right here, right now, and be like, "Yep, he said it's bullish," and then something drops, and it's like, "No, he said it's still bullish." So like, you have to be able to change. But at the moment, everything is pointing to a bullish move. So that's what I'd be waiting for. Uh, I want to see a push up higher because then that'll definitely get me some, that'll let me know that this is going to be pushing up towards these supplies. And then I'll just wait for a pullback into some other demands that are formed. Um, if it doesn't do that and it drops down first, we'll see. I got to see what happens with the news. But if not, I might not trade tomorrow. It all depends. But definitely more bullish than anything. For GBP USD, definitely crazy bullish, mainly because of the way that it's forming. We have, if we actually go back to the 15-minute here, I can show you that we have a equal high being equal highs, higher lows being pushed up. So we got like some sort of ascending triangle formed right now. But that could be a couple of things. That could obviously be the straight shot up, we get the pullback and we go, or it could be the stop hunt, retest supply, drop back down into these lower ends of demand and push up. And this is what I'm looking for. I want to see price come down to these demands because we have a bunch of alignment down there with, or I should say confluences, right? We have 15-minute imbalances, 1 hour imbalances, 4 hour imbalances. So we have a lot of area for price to come down and kind of just show us that this is exactly where they want to go. We have the 15-minute supply at a 1 hour, 30-minute. So I'm bullish on GU. I just don't know if I want to come in right. Obviously, I'm not going to come in right now. I'm going to be coming in for New York. I'm not trying to trade before all the news, but I want to see a push down. Now they might trap early, so that's what I'm saying. I think they're going to push to the previous highs and the 15-minute supplies up here, create some supply, new supply, right? They're going to bounce off, create new supply, and then we'll see that push down to retest some of the demands here on the lower time frames, like the 15-minute, right? So we just need to see how it performs and how it ends up doing overall because don't want to get into it too prematurely. But I will be looking for bullish moves, and out of all the pairs tomorrow, I'll find the one that makes the most sense to me. So. Uh, That's what we're looking for tonight, guys. Be careful of the news, proper risk management, don't get crazy, and we'll see how everything plays out tomorrow. Everyone have a great night. Peace.